Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to see about DaemonSet. We'll explain it quickly, have a deep dive in understanding what is DaemonSet and the questions around it. And this is especially the Kubernetes series that we are right now going through. So let's get started. Why DaemonSet matters. Before learning DaemonSets, let's understand the problem. There was a Kubernetes cluster and some services has to run on every node. So for example, we have log connection agents, monitoring agents, network plugins and security scanners. So managing the log collection agents or the network plugins manually is impossible in large environments. And DaemonSet solves this problem by ensuring one pod automatically runs on every node in a cluster. So it states that it ensures that one pod runs on every node in a cluster, and it is generally used for logging, monitoring, networking, and security. So this is the problem that DaemonSet solves. Now we'll understand what is a DaemonSet. A DaemonSet is a Kubernetes workload object, and it is automatically deploying and maintaining one copy of a pod on every node. And you know what's the best part? Whenever a new node will join the cluster, Kubernetes will automatically create a pod on that node. So if the node is removed, the associate pod is also removed automatically. So this ensures complete coverage across the cluster. Now we'll understand how the daemon sets work. So let's visualize this. Suppose we have three nodes, node 1, node 2, node 3. Now we create a daemon set. Kubernetes schedules one pod on each node. So node 1 gets one pod, node 2 gets one pod, node 3 gets one pod. Now imagine a fourth cluster joining fourth node joining the cluster. So Kubernetes will instantly create another pod on that node without any manual action. That's the power of a daemon set. We'll see some of the real use cases. Let's look at the real world example to understand it in a better way. In production environments, logs are generated on every node. Tools like Fluentd or Fluent Bit, they are used to collect these nodes and then they send them to the centralized logging platform such as the Elasticsearch. Now since every node is generating logs, the log collector must run on every node. That's why Fluentd is commonly deployed as a daemon set. We'll understand in monitoring how it works. So we are aware that for monitoring we are using tools like Prometheus and Grafana. And tools like Prometheus node exporter collect CPU metrics, memory utilization, disk statics, and network performance. So when they are collecting this data, each of the node will have its own metrics, and exporter will need to be everywhere. So it needs to run on everywhere. So the set will ensure like monitoring coverage across the entire cluster. Well, understand what is the difference between deployment and daemon set. It's a very common interview question. So now we all understand like what is a deployment. So deployment is used to manage the fixed number of the replicas. For example, if we have three replicas, Kubernetes will run only three pods. A daemon set will work differently. It will automatically create one pod per node. In simple words, deployments are used for application, however daemon sets are used for node level services. So this is the most important part we need to remember. We'll have a production example once again. So in real production Kubernetes environment, daemon sets are almost everywhere. The common examples include Fluentd, like we discussed earlier, Fluent Bit, Prometheus node exporter, Calico, and Cilium, Falco Security agent also. These services now need visibility into every node, making daemon sets the perfect choice. So, in case if an interviewer asks, what is a daemon set in Kubernetes? You can simply answer, daemon set is a Kubernetes workload and it ensures one copy of a pod runs on every node in a cluster, and it is commonly used for logging, monitoring, networking, and security related workloads. The concise answer is usually enough to get the interviewers impressed. We'll have a quick summary. So daemon set equals one pod per node. It automatically handles new nodes. It's widely used for logging, monitoring, networking, and security. And understanding daemon sets is essential for every DevOps engineer and Kubernetes administrator. In the next video, we'll explore more about the replica sets and understand how they maintain applications availability. I hope you like the video. If you like and find it useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also comment below which Kubernetes topic you would like me to explain next. Thanks for watching and see you in the next Kubernetes deep dive videos.